What's good, guys? You already know the vibes, man. We back for another video. Today we're gonna be doing something a little bit different. You already know. We outside of Popeyes, as y'all been hearing. I'm sure y'all been seeing the new fucking Chick-fil-A and Popeyes. Them niggas is beefing back and forth. Now McDonald's joined the competition. Y'all see that McDonald's joined the competition? Them niggas been tripping, yo. So we about to see what's about the hype. We literally had to drive an hour up here. So we fucking hoping this chicken gonna taste good, this chicken sandwich. We outside of Popeyes and man, we about to go in there. We spending a couple dollars on this sandwich. These sandwiches probably gonna be high as fuck, you already know. But after we spend some bread, we gonna be back shopping at McDonald's like the usual. You know, we ain't spending too much high dollar on the daily. So we just gonna test this sandwich out. We gonna go back to the broke lifestyle after. So man, hope y'all enjoy it. Lakes.
Come on, bro, you good.
I'm voting for Popeyes. You voting for Popeyes, right? Yeah. Who you voting for?
Chick-fil-A, you already know Team Chick-fil-A, bro.
I promise you, y'all niggas. We voting for the filet side. We voting for the filet side.
You already know. Like, which name sound better, Popeyes or Chick-fil-A?
We still waiting on our food. We got a 30-minute wait, man. 30-minute wait. If we was at Chick-fil-A, we'd have been instantly done. You feel me?
Yeah, Chick-fil-A in and out.
Chick-fil-A in and out. Yo, yes, sir. So, boy, look at the top. I don't even got the right tops, man.
They work just like they don't even care.
They don't care. They don't even care about the customer. So I'm definitely gonna say Chick-fil-A got them beat with the customer service, man. Definitely. Ain't even trying to throw no shade at Popeyes, man, but Chick-fil-A got them beat with the service.
More moments later.
Bag, but this shit is not on me.
You can't talk to that. That's a trash. Boy can't even smell his food through the bag.
Hell no.
No smell, no smell. We had Chick-fil-A with it, man. About to go get this chicken sandwich. Popeyes took us hella long, bro. We don't want to look at the. I'm just get you stuffed though. I got me fuller than a bitch. Finally back, man. We got Popeyes, we got the Chick-fil-A, man. We all got 2 sandwiches. We all about to test this joint out and let y'all know what we think is best, man. And if you have tried it, if you have tasted this joint, let us know what you think is best in your opinion, man. Y'all ready?
Which one we trying first?
Which one we trying first? Which one y'all want to try first?
Like for Chick-fil-A, subscribe for Popeyes.
No, subscribe either way. Subscribe either way. Like for Chick-fil-A, comment for like for Chick-fil-A, comment for Popeyes.
Yeah.
And what you say?
Nigga hungry. I ain't all day either, bro. So which one we eating? Popeyes?
Popeyes.
That shit big.
It is big as fuck. This shit.
Just a couple bites.
Alright. How's it now?
But Popeyes was slow as hell.
They was slow as fuck.
But the sandwich though. Look at this sandwich.
They made up for it with the sandwich, right?
They did. Let's see what Chick-fil-A looking like.
You can take both of them out.
Chick-fil-A more smaller, but
She really made my shit plain. I said this shit plain.
she fucked that shit up
And
too.
she put it literally plain. I said, can I get the chicken sandwich, just a sandwich?
What she put on it?
Doesn't it come with pickles and shit?
Yeah, come with pickles.
My shit ain't got no pickles, ain't got shade.
Is this shit done? You see, no, like,
Bro, look, bro, shit ain't got shit on it. Yo, alright, it's cool though.
them niggas was slow as hell though too, man. Which one y'all wanna go first, bro? This shit too, like, it got too much crust. Like,
I'm feeling chicken-fil-A first, bro.
You want to eat Chick-fil-A first? We got Popeyes on first, bro.
Alright, then.
All right, y'all ready?
I'll just take my Popeyes. Hold on.
it's a big ass sandwich, dog. Like, Y'all ready? This shit big as hell. Like, y'all ready?
Yeah.
All right, let's get it.
This is bad.
My shit decent, bro.
I got too much bread. Hold up.
Baby.
This
I don't know that.
This is a good sandwich.
alright, bro. I was team Chick-fil-A anyways, like I said, bro. This shit decent though, but I don't think it's getting Chick-fil-A for real.
It ain't gonna be Chick-fil-a for sure.
No, I don't think so.
I'm gonna put
No, nigga, no.
you was team.
Now this nigga was team Popeyes, now he trying to switch up.
I'm gonna put some barbecue sauce on it though. Get a little taste with it.
That might make it better.
You have any more?
Yeah, I got another one. You want one? Oh, my fault, bro. My fault.
Now we gotta get a bite of the chickie. The chicky-fil-a?
That shit thick as hell though. I feel like the chicken sandwich shouldn't be too big.
Chick-fil-A always the go-to, bro.
That shit
This
stuck
shit
in my
is just
throat.
big as hell, bro.
Hold on, we switching now?
Nah, I'm about to just get my shit right.
Y'all got your shit ready? I'm about to take another bite of this Popeyes. Nigga hungry though.
Make sure we know this right.
Bro, is it just me? I don't know if everybody got a Bojangles, but do Popeyes taste like Bojangles to you? Like that chicken?
I think they stole their recipe.
No crap, bro. A lot of people like
It's basically
Popeyes
the same,
better.
but it's basically the same.
the same thing. It's just like Bojangles a little bit more spicy.
I think
This shit, it's better with that on.
Popeyes to me is too crunchy, bro.
Bro.
Like it's literally too crunchy. Like y'all seen this big ass chicken, but half of it is literally no meat. Like
It's
Like, for real.
like skin.
Like it's mostly skin, bro. For real. We trying our chicken sandwich now.
Yeah, I'm gonna put up the Chick-fil-A, the Popeyes for a second.
Ain't trying to make a message and anything.
I'm not making no noise.
That joint, it's alright. It's food. You feel me? It's a meal. It's a meal.
The pan or the,
I got barbecue sauce in mine.
you got any more barbecue sauce?
I gave you it, bro.
Damn, you put all your barbecue sauce.
On the fucking what's her name sandwich, bro?
But that shit is humongous.
I got some Chick-fil-A.
I'll take the Chick-fil-A sauce.
She literally stopped everything she was doing to go clean the table. She was getting no help at all. Chick-fil-A, they all work as a team. Like customer service, trash. But other than that, man, the chicken is alright.
Okay.
Y'all ready?
Ready?
All right, let's get it. 1, 2, 3.
This is. I told you Chick-fil-A always a dub, bro. Always a dub.
Like literally, bro, my teeth just sink. You taste this shit right when you eat it. You feel me?
Man, I got sauce on my face and shit, bro.
Like literally, Popeyes, I don't taste it right now, but Chick-fil-A, man,
I don't even taste the Popeyes no more, bro.
I might have to switch.
that shit grease, bro. It's all grease. Let me taste it one more time to see if I can. Let me see.
What the hell was this nigga that was standing over there? I'm about to go give him my Popeyes sandwich. I don't want that shit no more. I want my Chick-fil-A, bro.
Chick-fil-A definitely got the dub. Which I think?
They got it.
Mm-hmm.
I'm some happy.
Well,
We have some in the bag. So what's your thoughts on it?
my thoughts on it is Chick-fil-A took a dub. You already know, big dub. Shout out to Chick-fil-A. Y'all never disappoint, bro. I fuck with y'all a long way. Always. I already knew y'all was gonna take the dub. I've been said that, but that's my opinion. Everybody else got their different opinions.
Facts,
But I think
facts.
Chick-fil-A got the dub.
I think Chick-fil-A got the dub as well, man. Popeyes, it's a big piece of chicken for no reason. Like literally, Chick-fil-A got the taste, the quality, everything. And the service. Customer service matters a lot, but just talking about the sandwich, Chick-fil-A definitely took the dub because this sandwich is basically a bunch of skin with meat on it. It got no competition for the It got no competition on Chick-fil-A, man. That's all I want to say, man. But, DeMondre, you want to say something before I wrap it up?
I have no comments.
This dude always be trying to do that. Anyways, man. Man, let us know what y'all think in the comments, man. What's your favorite chicken sandwich, man? Throw in the McDonald's or something. Anyways, man, if y'all like the video, give it a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe, man. It's gonna be right below, right here. Hit that subscribe button and help your boy out. We trying to get 300 subscribers right now. We on a mission for 300 right now. Anyways, man, I hope y'all enjoyed the video, cause we definitely had a good time, even though we did drive an hour up here. But I hope y'all liked the video, man. Be sure to subscribe, comment, and like. I said that shit all backwards, but man, just hope y'all enjoyed the video, bro. Anyways, man, y'all have a good day, my guys.